Welcome to the all-new Blue Hawk, sleeker and smoother than ever before. Blue Hawk features 2 new trains with soft-ass over-the-shoulder restraints for a more comfortable ride, track improvements, and fresh blue paint.
All right, guys, so we're here on the newly rethemed Blue Hawk roller coaster. This used to be the Ninja, and now they've added new trains, and it's much smoother and a beautiful new blue paint job. And we like that because it looks pretty. All right, here we go. Get ready for this. Oh, get ready for Blue Hawk. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh, this has some funky inversion. Woo! Here we go. Whee! Oh, this ride is so weird, but I love it. Here we go. Oh! One more corkscrew. Woo! Oh man, it is much smoother with these new trains. Fun ride. Alright guys, we are on Blue Hawk taking a backseat ride. As you can see, this ride has brand new trains, and man, it helps out a lot. This used to be the old Ninja, and you can see they gave it a nice brand new blue paint job. It looks pretty and it rides great. This is a really funky, bizarre layout. Really not many rides with this inversion in the world. I can only think of like maybe one other coaster. And if you know the name of the coaster that has an inversion similar to this, make sure you post it below in the comments. All right, so we are cresting the lift hill. We're gonna cruise down to the right over here, and then one funky inversion after another. Check out, you can see Scream Machine off in the background. It's a beautiful view, nice setting for a coaster right over the water. Oh, here we go, guys. I'm getting a little nervous. A little nervous. Oh man, here we go! Oh yeah! Oh! It's a little bumpy, but it doesn't hurt, which is awesome! That is a good ride. A lot of fun.